Aloha, this is Daniel with Pre-Owned Motor Cars. Just wanted to show you this new arrival. It's our 2022 Hyundai Palisade. Yeah, this one's a 2022 and it's only got 17 or 18,000 miles on the dash right now, so it's got a majority of its factory warranty, and they get covered bumper to bumper up to 60,000 miles even for the subsequent owner. This one features keyless entry right under the door handle, so you don't have to pull your key out anymore. You just hit that button and it'll unlock for you or lock. Blind spot monitoring. Got this really nice leather seating too, and you get dual power seats, of course. Seat memory function, power locks and windows. You also have a heads-up display that displays some traffic information or road information, as well as your speed right on the windshield for you. You also get a wireless charger. And then here's your infotainment screen. This one is a touchscreen too, and it's got Hyundai's newest software as well. On top of that, you also have your lane departure warning, and you also have the advanced cruise control system too. And you don't see this too often, but you get a sunroof for the passenger and the driver, as well as for your rear passengers too. There's a whole nother one. It's a panoramic style. In the back here, you're going to get your captain's chairs. So this is going to be a 7-seater. Easy to get in and out with the captain's chair design. Whenever passengers need to get in or out, all they need to do is hit one of these two switches. If you hit that, it rolls itself away for you, and you're all good to get in here. The coolest thing is most of the seats either have heated seating or AC ventilated seats too, including the ones in the second row here. Power lift gate too. And here's your storage back here with the seats out. But if you ever need to make more room, you don't have as many passengers in with you, all you do is you hit some of these switches here. So this will do the third row for us. We'll go ahead and fold that, fold that. And you can do the same thing with the second row too, which is really cool. And then the seats would go down a little bit more flat, but the headrests are up right now. But yeah, here's your cargo space. This one's also got sensors in the front and the rear as well. If you're interested in this one, just give me a call at 808-334-1111 and ask for Daniel. I can get you more details, or we can set up a time to check this one out in person. And lastly, this one does have all-wheel drive, and it's got one of the best 360 parking camera systems I've seen, making it really easy to park even a little bit bigger vehicle like this anywhere in town. Thanks for watching. Take care.